This is Dr. Steve with Rockwall CPR. This one's a sad one, a very sad one, and parents, y'all need to get yourselves awake. Here we have a football player, Myzelle Law, 19, dies from heat-related injuries after practice. This athlete's body reportedly reached a temperature of 108 degrees before he was rushed to a hospital. Now, I only know, and this is what I'm showing you from what I'm reading, this is about the fifth or sixth article that I've read. Very difficult to ascertain some key pointers here. Number one, was there an athletic trainer there? Number two, was there a tub filled with water and lots of ice, and was this athlete put in it? Number three, was the temperature taken outside before the practice? More specifically, did they ascertain the heat index? And even better, and the best measurement, is called a wet bulb globe thermometer. Was that used? Was there a rectal thermometer with the athletic trainer that may or may not have been there, or with one of the coaches? Because that is the only way to ascertain an accurate internal body temperature. You cannot scan the forehead. You cannot stick something in somebody's ear. You can't do a thermometer in the mouth. It must be a rectal temperature to get an accurate assessment of internal body temperature. But the simple thing is to have a tub with water access and lots of ice. And if you see an athlete struggling, what does heat stroke look like? What does heat exhaustion look like? The athlete's clearly struggling. It's not complicated. Do not overcomplicate this. The athlete could be profusely sweating. The athlete may not be sweating at all. The athlete may start to have some cognitive problems, may get dizzy, may have changes in behavior, etc., etc., etc. It's really pretty simple. Somebody doesn't look right. It's really hot this summer in lots of different places. You must have the proper training. The coaches must, and I say must, be mandated to have heat injury training and must be prepared. What does prepared mean? Have an easy up tent to get somebody in the shade. Have the tub with water access and ice. And how you could possibly not have an athletic trainer there, I don't understand. Parents, y'all gotta wake up and demand, yes, I said demand, that safety protocols be put in place. I'm talking about getting your nose right next to the coach's nose and saying, my son's out unless you get these safety protocols in place. And if all the parents go into the coach, I promise you the safety protocols will be put in place. This is inexcusable. Condolences to the family.